Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate for Medicare accounts through official portals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate for Medicare accounts through official portals, first, open your preferred web browser. Type in the official Medicare website URL, www.medicare.gov. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In option in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, look for the Create an Account link. Click on this link to begin the account creation process. Fill out the required fields, including your personal information such as name, date of birth, and Medicare number. After entering your information, create a unique username and password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. Check for any verification steps, such as answering security questions. Once you've filled everything out, review your information for accuracy. Click the Submit button to create your account. After creating your account, you may need to verify your email or phone number through a confirmation link or code. Once verified, return to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password to access your account. If you forget your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your login information. Upon successful login, you can explore your Medicare options and manage your account. Always log out when you're done for security purposes. Make sure to regularly update your password for added protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.